Okay.
Okay, how are you?
Yeah, I am doing good. Thanks for asking. What about you?
I am doing great, and thanks for asking to you too. And what is going on? How is your journey going on so far? Tell me.
It's going smoothly.
Nice. And what is the purpose of learning English? Tell me something. Why do you
Yeah.
who encourage you to learning English?
Okay, ma'am. I will tell you.
Yes.
In my opinion, English learning is not a big task. It is all about regular practice
Yes, yes.
and consistency and dedication. Earlier, I was not very much serious about learning English, but now, it's a global language. It's very important in these days. So that's why I want to learn English. And it's all about 2 years ago when my daughter installed Duolingo app on my phone.
Okay.
Then,
Which
yeah,
application? Tell me the name.
Duol, Duolingo app.
Okay, okay. Duoing. Okay.
Uh,
Duolingo app.
Duolingo. Yeah.
Yes.
Uh, then everything changed suddenly. That was the turning point of my life. And that small steps opened the path for me to learn English. And after that, I seriously sought out the WhatsApp communities to learn English. And after that, I joined one WhatsApp community, one Google Meet session. Their friends are very encouraging and supportive. They
So
helped me a lot.
how do you use this application Duolingo app for the learning purpose, and what is the benefit from this application to you?
It's a very good application because for basic English it's good.
Okay.
We can, yeah, for basic English.
For basic
Mm,
English, it is good. Yeah, so
yeah,
many
it's
apps are there like
yeah.
AI promote,
Mm,
nowadays
Chat
AI,
GPT.
yeah, AI has
Mm,
touched the top of success.
yeah, yeah.
Everywhere there people are using
Yes,
AI.
yeah.
Yeah.
AI, yeah.
CV application
Mm,
is there, Nova AI application is there, and
yeah.
Sparky application is there. So
It's
many
not,
platform,
yeah.
yeah, so many applications are there so that people can improve
Mhm,
their English.
yeah. And I want to mention that my family, in every step, my family supported me and encouraged me. My elder daughter is an author and good command on English. She always
Okay.
encouraged me to communicate in
Your elder
English.
daughter is a author.
Yeah, she's an author.
Okay. So what kind
Basically,
of
she is an
books,
engineer.
what kind of books she launch?
Simple romantic stories. That's all.
Okay, okay,
And uh,
okay. She is
actually,
working
basically, she
anywhere.
is an engineer.
Okay,
Basically, she is an engineer. She's an engineer.
okay,
She did
okay.
BTech MS. Uh,
But this
but
is her hobby,
working is her
extra
hobby.
hobby.
Yeah, extra hobby.
Nice,
And she
nice.
has a good command on English language.
Very good.
My husband is also very encouraging and supportive.
Yes, yes.
So
Yes. So you should
it's
also
a
learn
plus point
English
for me.
because
Uh,
your whole family is educated. So you should also learn this language nicely.
yeah.
Yeah. This is your, and you also try to learn this language day by day. That is the
Now
encouraging
I'm
and
practicing daily.
motivate, and it is a very
Motivation is,
appreciable thing. Nice.
yeah.
Yes, yes.
If they don't support me, I can't do
Yeah.
anything.
Without support we
My husband,
cannot do, because actually
yeah,
in our family, in if we talk about joint family, I live in joint family, I hail from my joint family, and so many opportunities we most of the time we missed. And
yeah,
if we live in joint family, so we cannot do for ourselves so much. But
yeah,
literally I would say, those women who are who lives in joint family, they always take out their some time for themselves also,
yeah.
for learning,
Mm,
for doing something special. And this is one motive. Any Every woman has a one motive for them, for their life, so that
yeah,
they also go ahead, they also move on
yeah.
from their
And
life.
now time changed.
Yes, time
So
has
we
been
have to
changed
do
totally.
something. Yeah. So we have to do something.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
Literally, and opportunities never comes when
Yeah,
time goes, where opportunities goes, they never come back
yeah,
to us.
yeah,
So whenever we get opportunity, we do something, we learn something
yeah,
new, and
yeah.
start our journey, because
Mm,
time is
actually,
very
yeah,
precious.
yeah. Actually, my husband is retired. My daughters are out in world building their careers, and I have so much free time.
Yes,
So
yes, yes.
I decided to knuckle down and learn English, practice English,
Yes, it is
and
very, very nice,
yeah,
na appreciable, I would say. And I am on cloud nine that you are trying her best, because in this age, people are only thinking that I am enjoying, I am having food, I have done my household chores and nothing else. And it's a hats off to you from my side, because
thank
in
you.
this age you are learning, you are trying to learning. It is very, very appreciable thing, literally.
But it is very difficult to
Hmm.
remember.
Yeah, it is very
I have to
difficult.
practice.
I know,
Yeah.
because now
Mm,
uh, everything is natural actually. At
mm.
the age of 50, I think 50, you are over 50.
I'm 65. 65.
65. So when
Yeah.
you are presently you are running 65 age, and most of the people at your age, they literally quit everything to learn,
Mm.
and they only enjoy their life, move on their life, like in a family. But difficulties always get success.
Yeah.
Actually I would say, so you should learn English, and you will be carry on in
Mm.
your life, in your learning
Now,
journey.
now English learning is my passion. It has become my passion
Yes,
nowadays.
yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
Definitely, and I am advising you, and you should not give up for learning English. You should try your best day by day, and one
It's
day
my
you become
habit.
fluent.
It's my habit
Hmm.
not to throw towel.
Actually, we are not aware, we
Then,
are not used to speaking in this language, because we are
yeah,
habitual only our mother tongue. Our
yeah,
mouth
mother.
muscles are not working on our English, because we have no good
And our
command in English
surroundings,
language. Yes.
surroundings are of Hindi language only, na?
Yes,
Not
yes. That's why we are facing so many problems.
so many problems.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. And if we talk about our mother tongue, everyone is very comfortable in their mother tongue,
Yeah.
by
Mm.
learning in mother tongue, by saying something in mother tongue. But whenever we open our mouth to speak English, we used to freeze. And
Yeah.
we can't understand what should be speak in English in front of others, because it
Actually,
depends, totally depends on the practice, regular practice.
practice. Yeah. Regular
Yes.
practice.
So, ma'am,
And
actually,
it's a
I
long
have a
process.
topic. If you
Okay.
go with the topic. So, shall I discuss with you?
Okay, ma'am.
It is a very simple topic, gender equality. Are
Okay.
you aware for the this kind of word, gender equality?
Yeah, gender equality.
Hmm.
Yeah.
So my question is, what do you mean by gender equality? What is the gender equality in your opinion? Please,
Yeah. In my
give me some
opinion,
opinion of
gen-
your
yeah.
side.
In my opinion, gender equality means male and female. Both genders have should have the same equal treat equal manner. Treat in an equal manner. In our society, it is male dominated society, and every male is most of the males are dominating. They think if I will do everything is right. But now time changed, and now the thinking is changing nowadays. Day by day,
Yes, yes,
thinking is changing because ladies are also dependent. Earlier they are not. Earlier they are dependent. Nowadays they are not dependent. That's why time changes day by day.
yes.
So,
Because if women couldn't go forward, couldn't go move on their
mm,
life, so
yeah,
they couldn't able to do anything. And nowadays,
mm,
men and women both are equal.
both are earning.
Yes,
Yeah, both are
definitely. Both
earning.
are equal. They are
Mm,
they can go. They can go
yeah,
side by side. They can go with their according
yeah,
their path accordingly. They
mm,
are doing well. Yes.
mm,
And
yeah,
gender equality means not giving them the no, giving them equal rights, equal respect, and equal opportunities to all the fields,
yeah,
every
all
field,
them.
whether it is difficult or whether it is easy, all
Easy, yeah.
because nowadays women are doing so well, like astronauts,
Mm,
Sunita
yeah,
Williams, and
yeah.
so many
Sometimes,
actually Kalpana Chawla, so many
yeah,
women are working very great working in this
yeah,
world, in this global world. So I would say opportunities always welcomes people.
yeah, all, yeah, yeah.
Yes. And my second question, let's move on the second question. Why is gender equality important?
Yeah. In my opinion, it's very important
Hmm.
because we are equally qualified, like males. We are not like
We are
both
equally
fields.
qualified, and whenever we go as a rural areas or village areas, so you can see there are many women in women categories. We talk about for women, they are not well educated, they have no
Yeah.
resources for education. Hmm?
Mm-hmm.
And in their house, every male wants that women only she will do work in household work, like
Household,
na,
yeah,
in
yeah,
the
household
house
chores.
only.
Mm.
She cannot try to go out or move out to
Mm-hmm.
do something else except household work. So it is good in
Mm-hmm.
your eyes or bad? Tell me.
No, man, it's very bad for ladies. It's very
Because
even
this is
we
the
have,
discrimination, totally
yeah,
discrimination
this is
for women.
totally discrimination. No,
Shoshan, like Shoshan. This
yeah,
is, yeah.
it's just, yeah,
Because every man and every woman has a full power and full right to educate.
yeah,
Because if we do not independent our life, so we are ruined. We have to face so
yeah,
many problems with our ahead life. So
yeah,
every man and woman should be educated, I think.
educated. Yeah.
Yes. So, what would you say about the education, about the gender equality? Why is gender equality important?
And gender equality to important. It's very important nowadays because nowadays life is very expensive, and everyone wants that every facilities and comfortable life. They want to live a comfortable life. That's why if one man earn, they cannot live the comfortable life.
Are
So
educated
if
women also suffer like uneducated women in this world? Are you
sometimes,
agree for this?
yes, sometimes educated women also suffer. We we have to
Yes, yes. Please continue.
yeah, uh,
Yeah.
we have to come forward
Yes.
to speak about us, to speak about us.
Yes.
So if we
Actually,
don't speak,
equal
they cannot.
education, equal rights, equal opportunities, and equal respect are very
Yeah,
important in
very.
education field or in women or men, both. Both have the equal
Yeah.
things. And let's go move on next question. This is the only yes or no. If you agree, so you say yes. If you disagree, you say
Yes.
no. Do men and women deserve equal respect?
Yes.
Yes. So why? Tell me some important four or three or four important sentence like equal respect or equal rights. Why? Why it is necessary for both category?
Because they are equally educated. So why men only wants respect? Ladies also wants respect.
Right.
And yeah. And only ladies should always do household chores. Men should always help them. That's why
Both, yeah, both are equal and both
yeah,
deserve respect actually
there's
because
a
both are educated, both are sincere to do work, and both
yeah,
are equal rights for
yeah,
our
yeah.
worthiness. It is a,
Hmm.
understandable thing. Yes.
Yeah.
Next question is it right to judge someone by their gender?
No,
Is it right?
no, no, no.
Yes, because
Gender
in
equality. Yeah,
presently we can and we can see in our surroundings when the baby girl, uh, give birth in a family. So especially for girl, there are so many responsibilities, so many
yeah,
rights, so many. Why girls should be considered like a burden? Why?
yeah. Main, mm, in my opinion, main thing is dowry, ma'am. When girls are grown up, girls will be grown up, and the parents want to be settle them. Then whatever the girl is educated or not educated, every person wants dowry, and it's very difficult nowadays. And now the marriages in India is very hi-fi type marriages are now going on. So it's very difficult. That's why main problem is that, in my opinion.
Main problem is dowry. Dowry system
Yeah,
actually not finished yet in our society.
yeah,
And it
yeah.
is day by day increasing also by giving
Increasing day by day,
money, like,
increasing. Yeah.
yes.
Mm.
Although that people says that we are not believe on dowry, but
But
automatically,
they,
yeah,
yes,
by
they
any
won't
means
insult.
they
By
can
heart, they
take and
won't.
they can give.
Yeah.
They are taking and they are giving dowry in any form.
When
Yeah.
when our daughters are well educated, equal to their boys, why should we give dowry? It's
We
not
should
good.
not, we are actually, we are not against dowry. We are
Yeah,
against of those people who have this type of mentality that in
mentality.
the marriage of girl, it is very necessary to take dowry from the other side.
Yes, others say. In some society, it's very heavy amount they pay.
Yes, if a girl's side family is not able to giving dowry and not giving so much things in her daughter's marriage, so they other side people consider that they are not able to do anything. They are
Yeah,
nothing.
that's why nowadays girls are girls don't want to marry sometimes. If they are
Yes.
independent, they don't want to marry.
Presently,
They
we can hear and we can read out in the newspaper every time, every day that in that village, people killing people and girls
yeah,
suicide, women suicide. Na, matricide is there, na?
mm,
So
yeah,
this type of news also can hear in present time in
yeah,
2026 is going on, and we are not
yeah,
matured. People are not matured yet.
but,
They
yeah,
are also believing by taking and
mm,
giving dowry.
yeah.
How can we stop it, ma'am? How can we stop this discrimination with girls especially? Tell me something.
Ma'am, I think women is the enemy of the women. Main problem is that if we cannot understand, we can never come out from this thing. If we, if a girl birth a girl child, then first her mother-in-law tells her that she will never be happy if her daughter-in-law gave a girl child, gave a birth, girl
Yeah,
child.
girls birth at the when we see that when in any family girls take birth, so girls should be feel like a burden for parents.
Most of the family, yeah, most of the
Most of the
families,
family in
it happens.
villages, and in
Mm,
villages we can see
mm.
yet in present time also, he girls
In
should
big
be
cities
considered.
also, in big cities also,
Cities
it's
also,
not.
yes, yes, yes.
Yes, yeah, in big
Why
cities
it is
also. So
this
many.
discrimination is why, what is the reason behind of it? Girls are not less than men. I think so.
Yeah, girls are not.
Girls
They
are
are.
not less than men. Even
Yeah,
though we are very we have very cheap thinking.
yeah,
People have very cheap
mm,
thinking regarding
yeah,
girls when they are taking birth in any family. They feel like a burden. It
yeah.
is not good.
No, it's not good.
Yes, so that nowadays every girl should be educated, should be well educated,
Yeah,
well independent, so
independent.
that she couldn't we face any difficulty or
Yeah,
discrimination things like now is this type of we can say this type of na
this
disease. This is
discrimination.
also like a disease. Discrimination is
Yeah,
also like a disease.
yeah,
Gender
yeah.
discrimination, gender
Mhm.
stereotype is also a disease,
Disease.
according
Yeah,
to me. Are you agree with my
and
point
it's
or no?
yeah, I'm agree with you. Totally agree.
Yes,
And
yes.
I think it is very difficult to remove.
It is very difficult to remove because every person wants to remove this type of we can say na this type of custom. But
Yeah.
if there is marriage of any girl, and other side people wants to dowry, so what should the girl's parents do? They have to
Mm.
give, because their girl is going to be marriage, in other family
Yeah.
member, and we have to do this.
They don't want, but they have to give
Hmm.
because they demand.
Because they
It's
demand.
society.
Yes, yes.
Live in society. That's why
We can say
we have.
in a nutshell, we can say
Yeah,
our society is not matured yet.
yeah,
They are very
actually,
innocent, they are very
yeah,
uneducated, uh, till
yeah.
in 2026 also, I think so.
Mm.
So okay, let's go
And it is
for
not
forward
that
in my last question, that
boys,
how can
some
we
boys
treat
are also
everyone
there.
equally? How can we treat everyone equally? If we talk about girls ratio and man ratio, so how can we treat both of them equally? How?
We have to teach our child, daughters also, and was and we from the childhood we have to grown up our children that it is not good. Even though they are boys, we have to tell boys also that you should do your work, household work equally, just like your sister, and you should help your mother also, and we have to educate them that dowry is a bad thing.
Yes.
Then after that, it is
And
it's
nowadays,
really
every girl and every boy must must go with the same path as education. If we talk about education path, they have both are have equal importance. And if
yeah,
we talk about like especially for girls, when they are when they go to another family after marriage, so they also deserve some respect. They
respect.
also
And it's
deserve
very difficult.
opportunities. They
It's
also
very
deserve
difficult
rights.
to adjust in
Yeah.
new
Yes,
family.
yes.
It's very difficult in new
Yeah.
atmosphere.
Adjustment
And
is too
everyone wants,
difficult
yeah, and
because
everyone wants
atmosphere is
from the
changed
first day
totally.
that the girl is to be perfect in every
Yes,
manner.
yes. Because there are so many we can say na, in Ramayan, Sita gave a very hard exam, like na,
Yeah,
at that time the this custom is going on for girls
yeah.
especially. They have to they have to give exam, very
Yeah,
hard exam in
mm,
their in-laws
yeah.
house. I would say.
Yeah,
But in educated family, everyone is understand,
yeah.
everyone is
Understand.
consider that
Everyone, yeah.
every lady and every woman has their own pace and pause for
Mm.
working and
I
for
told you, na,
their
day by day,
field.
the
Yeah.
society is
And our
changing.
family mentality is also developing day by day.
And yeah,
Yes.
day by day.
If we are educated, so education has some importance na. If we are not educated, so people things uh, not so much important as he thought. But in educated family, every member should be mature and sincere, according to me.
Since, yeah.
Okay, ma'am, this is the signing off for this video and session, and I am very enjoying this session with you. And
So
what
I'm very,
about your experience? Please tell me.
yeah. Uh, I'm very happy to session with
And
you,
I'm
and
also
I want
on
to thank
cloud
you.
nine
I
today to
want to
meet you,
thank you.
and
Yeah.
your journey. Always you continue in your learning journey, and best of luck for your journey. Thank you so
I want to
much
thank you
for giving
for
me. Yes.
giving me the opportunity
Yeah,
here.
yeah. And I'm also very glad to meet you and their thoughts. We are discussing thoughts of gender equality, and I hope you
Yeah,
also enjoy this session.
yeah.
Thank you so much. Great day. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.